Princess there, yeah? Hi, beautiful girl.
Hi, take a picture of me and the Nutcracker, okay?
Okay, smile.
Cheese.
Oh my gosh, you look beautiful.
Can I see the picture of the Nutcracker and me?
I will show it to you in a minute, okay?
Okay, one more, okay?
What's he doing?
He's pretty eyes.
Yeah.
I really think their eyes are gonna be Daddy's eye color. He has that same little red thing Daddy has on his eye.
Hmm.
You see it?
We have to wait and see.
Oh my gosh, you're touchy.
Touchy little man. What you looking at? And we will call him Fat Bastard.